1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the basic turns, if I'm leading my lady, it will go 1, 2, 3, then I'm going back 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The left turn would go 1, 2, 3. I lead the lady on to the left, and then from this end I would go follow 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I do a cross body. I'll show it to you from the other side. 5, 6, 7. So there are other combinations which you can do. One is the double hand lock. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Now when I'm moving back, I lift this hand up. 5, 6, 7. So it's a lock, and then I go back to my basic set. 3, 5, 6, 7. Now remember, my left hand is on top and the lady's right hand is down. So from here I move my left 2, 3, 5, 6. I release it on the left. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it goes right turn 5, 6, 7. The release will always happen on the left turn. 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the other combination is a hammer lock, which will go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'll bring her in 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the release for this lock would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the lock would be on my right turn for the lady's right turn, and the release would be on the lady's left turn. 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 again. So 1, 2, 3 lock, 5, 6, 7, go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,